Just a little bit right there. There we go. What up, Tamika? It's always good to see you. Checking out some of my homies' beats this morning. Shouts out to the beats, like as hell. I've been wanting to listen to them more anyways, and he gave me another reason to anyways. Like, I know you listen to the beats, but we need more people listening to the beats. Okay, so that means I need to listen to the beats even more, is what you're saying. And with other people watching me listen to the beats. Because hell, y'all supposed to be doing something with the beats. And people don't be doing shit with the beats. But you know, people be scared to show up places. I don't be scared to show up places. I go, but hell, I'm aware of the fact that I might not make it home. You know what? I might not make it back, but I'm gonna go anyways. Fuck it. And this might be the day I meet the person that can kill me. And hell, I'm supposed to be ready to die a warrior's death. Can't be a warrior just sitting at home expecting to die old in the bed. Nah, that ain't for me. Okay, I like this one. Yeah. That's kind of that menacing vibe right there. You see what I'm saying? What you gonna do to this beat? We gonna organize a business plan to this beat. You see what I'm saying? I'm not a rapper. I'm a businessman these days. So therefore, we gonna devise a business plan with this. This is what I can sell you something to this beat. Yeah, this is a sales pitch beat right here. You put this on before you go make you a sale, right? And this ain't a sale that the person wants what you got. This is one of them sales where I gotta come in, be charming, witty, and convincing and get you to buy a product that you either A, don't need, or B, didn't want. You know what I'm saying? Just like yesterday, I was sitting here, I ain't selling you nothing, okay? I'm just giving you some information. I wasn't expecting no sales yesterday, which is probably why I didn't get no sales. Because I had made some money before I went to that event. So I already knew the way my eights are set up, I wasn't going to make no money last night, which is facts, okay? Because I had made some money before I even got there. I'm just there doing the networking like that big homie's supposed to. My dude said, we got an event, pull up. All right, you want me to be a vendor or you just want me in attendance? Whichever one you feel like doing. Well, shit, it's a good thing I was trying to be a vendor because hell, that made me look good to people that I didn't know. You got all the little models running around that motherfucker like, what do you do? Oh, you got plants and shit? You a plant daddy? Hell, that gets the planties wet. You gotta know how to get them planties wet, right? Something like that. Something like that. Here, let's put this beat though.